Okay, Saturday the 21st, folks. We're back out. I didn't do any tacking. Long story. I wasn't out here at all yesterday. Wasn't really sickly, but didn't sleep. So I'll just leave it at that. So I'm going to tack this bit on. And then we'll take it over to the cart, and we'll actually, I think I'm just going to go ahead and cut. It looks like it turns here and turns there, so we may have to do some tuning somewhere in here. Cut this and rotate it to get it, instead of turning this way, either flat or turning the other way. But we won't know until we get it over there. So first we're going to practice on some metal first to make sure we get the temperature right, because what we don't want to do is burn any holes in here just tacking it on. After all the work we did and the time we spent, we want to keep it nice. So I'm gonna go ahead. There'll be multiple parts today. We'll probably have 3 short ones at least, and we'll go ahead and get this done first. So let me get after it. We'll go ahead and put probably 6 or so tacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just to make sure it doesn't move, because this thing is not clamped tight, but it is clamped in here, and it does distort, believe it or not, distort the pipe. This is part of the issue I had fitting this piece up, is if it moved or rotated, the orientation of the distortion would also change. So I was chasing it for a while, then I decided, you know what? It's going to be evenly straight up, and as I tighten this, you can actually see it move. So we want to make sure we get at least 6, maybe 8 tacks on here, maybe more, because when we let it loose, it's going to try to move back, and we don't want the tacks cracking or popping loose. So that's enough for now. Let's go ahead and get to work, and we'll bring you a couple more in a bit. Hang in there, y'all.